Hey there, thanks for checking out another one of my videos. Some of you guys have mentioned in the past video that I just posted last week, which I will go ahead and link in whichever corner it goes in. I haven't really addressed this yet, but I have been missing from really all social media for pretty much the last 6 to 8 months. Part of it was I was on a really big crazy job and was traveling a lot for it. And the other part is once I came back from that job, I kind of just took a big social media break and it has done so much good. I am so thrilled that I did it, and if you guys want to hear more about it, definitely leave comments below. But overall, it wasn't anything that happened or anything that went wrong. I just kind of started to pay attention to other things in my life, which was actually really, really good. So let's move on to this other unboxing. So in my last video, I did make a comment about Monday, and Monday was yesterday. So I did do an unboxing of Chanel Boy. I am still very much in love with that bag. If you guys want to hear the whole story, definitely check out the last video. But needless to say, I found a bag 3 years ago that I really, really liked. It was a Chanel Boy. It was a great color. I realized that it was going to be really hard to find something that color. I found it in a different size. I ended up finding this last season, they came out with something similar, so I was shipped to that. I got it, I did an unboxing, I didn't like it. I ended up returning it and purchasing the black boy in the new medium, which so far I'm loving. I haven't used her yet, but that day is coming very soon. But first, I was waiting for this package. So when I was in the store getting the boy bag, I also saw this bag, and I think it kind of fits a need that I have in my collection, and it is not a Louis, which I'm really surprised about, but I so far am really liking the style of this. I've done a lot of research online in the last weekend since I saw it, but my store had it. The store that I bought the Chanel Boy bag at had it, but I also had a really big gift card for Nordstrom, and I called my amazing sales associate at Nordstrom Chanel, and he said, oh, we had that bag in, it actually is on reserve for somebody else. And I said, no problem. If you come across one in the near future, let me know. This was probably a half hour after I purchased the boy bag. About 20 minutes later, I got a text from the sales associate saying, guess what? Both the people that were on the wait list have passed. So if you want it, it is yours. And without even thinking about it, I just said, go ahead and ship it. So that's what's here today. And it's a really big box. I am really excited about this bag. I definitely want to play around with it a little bit, and it's not, I feel like the boy bag I 100% wanted. I wanted that style. This was actually something that I wasn't even really expecting to see the style, and let's just get started. Oh my goodness, this box is huge. There's the big box. Okay, so I'm trying to think of the easiest way to do this. Oh, this bag is heavier than I thought, but I think it's just the way that it is packaged. It's so big. Literally falling apart right now. Alright. Oh, I see it. I see it. There it is. And here is the dust bag and the booklet, but let's get her completely unpacked. Move this aside. remember what the size really looked like. There she is. So if you guys know me, you know that I love the color blue. And some of my favorite Louis Vuitton bags are indeed blue. I have my Alma PM in the denim. I also have a Speedy Empreinte in a really beautiful, called Infinity color, which is a really, really dark blue. And I love blue. I have found that blue bags just tend to go with everything that I own, mostly because I wear blue. And when I was getting the boy bag, I was really debating. They had this gorgeous, like really dark navy, which almost could be black. And I really, really liked that one, but I thought for my first Chanel, I thought that I needed black. I might end up eventually getting the classic flap in black as well, but I'm really, really happy with the boy. But I kind of was a little bummed because I'm like, I love blue. And then I saw this. And this bag is so pretty. My only concern is that it looks almost exactly like a rug that we just bought. I will insert pictures here. That's similar, right? It's really cute. And I have a Neverfull MM with the turquoise interior and the big turquoise V on it. But I think for travel, I really have been missing having a good tote bag. My Neverfull seems a little bit small in the MM, so I kind of thought that maybe this would be a perfect travel bag as well as a good summer tote. And really with the colors, I do feel like it could go into fall and winter. I was not considering this style at all, but now I'm so happy. It's really loud. Let me take everything out. I'm so happy that I did decide to kind of look at it. I'm looking through the pockets right now. The authentication card is in there, and it's got one big zipper pocket here. It's also got a cell phone pocket here and another big pocket, which I like that compared to the Neverfull. The Neverfull obviously does not have any pockets. It's got this great little clip there, and then, you know, it can close together like that. I like that it's pretty lightweight. It is a little bit heavy with these, but it's lightweight. I like that I can carry it kind of this way or on my shoulder. I think it's such a cute bag, and I really, really like the color. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you think when I see this or when you see this, do you think of a rug, or do you think that it is a great piece knowing that it is indeed my second Chanel within a week, which is really, really bad. I'm completely on Van Island now. But let me know if you guys think I should go ahead and keep this. I do love it. I think that it would be such a great travel bag, like I said. Let me know your thoughts on it, because I haven't really played with this enough to really know. I would probably put a bag organizer in it, but yeah, I really am happy with it. I like the light color of the inside. I think that that just would make it so easy to find things. So very, very exciting. I am super curious. This is the I think it's the large size. So it's not the super, super big one, but it's obviously not the little one. So I just think it's just such a fun bag. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for checking out my video, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Oh, what a difference that makes. The camera's working. About, oh goodness. About 20, up here, is it that corner? I always forget. Yeah, that corner, right? That corner? I don't know. Let's just not say a corner. Bentley, every time. Every time. My first Louis Vuitton, or nah. so cute. I have a big mirror here and I can really see it. It's a really cute tote bag. I like it. I think I get overwhelmed these days with doing unboxings because I don't actually like really look at it, and it smells like leather. I can actually finally now inspect it. It smells like leather, which is funny because the top handle is the only part that's leather. There she is. I love it. I think it's really cute. Okay, let me show you guys. Wow, I have quite the mess in here. Come on. Come on. No barking. Come on. Here's little stinky face. Say hi. Look at the camera. Look up here. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, I like to bark when Mommy does videos. You don't like to be held up, huh? Alright. Can I film this one? Or you can bark? I close the door. Okay, you stay here for a minute. I'll close the door. Good girl. Okay. Where are you going? You're not gonna like it when I start to move around. Wanna get down? All right,